It was in the town of Darlington that railways first began. There they built the engine locomotion number one. The land gave coal and iron, and of the men they gave their skill, and they built the railway engine, and they're building loco still. The iron road is a hard road, and the work is never ending. Working night and day on the iron way, we're the boys who keep the engines rolling. It's just another working day around the loco sheds, and the lads have been on night shift, are they thinking of their beds? Like driver Tommy Walker and Gordon, who's his son. It's time that you knocked off me lads, another day is done. They're working all around the clock in sun and wind and rain. The driver's clean as firemen and the blokes who build the trains. Here's old man Lowe, they're clocking on to start another day, and his son who's building diesels in the shop across the way. It's in the wheel and action shop, the wheels are turned and weighed, while in the big erecting shed the fitter plies his trade. The boiler smiths and welders, it's here they earn their pay, at keeping locos rolling up and down the iron way. It's here they strip the engines down and build them up again. It's here the slingers do their stuff with an 82-ton crane. They lift a Class C engine and move a Class B2 and drop it in position for the chargeman and his crew. But the age of steam is over and the new age has begun. And the old steam locomotive, yes, its race is almost run. But as steam makes way for diesel, other ways and other skills, will they need you there, old timer? Will you be working still? The iron road is a hard road, and the lines are always wearing. Working night and day on the iron way, we're the boys who do the road repairing. You check the level of the rails, you wrestle with the sleepers. Check the fish plates there, test the keys and chairs. Now it's swing that hammer, turn that spanner, rail tapping, gravel packing, plate laying, bolt checking on the iron road repairing. New length of line at Broken Brae, at Catterick, a new sleeper. Watch the signals change, listen for the trains, keep an eye upon the crossing keeper. The iron road is a hard road, and we keep it in good order. Sun, wind, rain, and snow, always on the go. We're the rail patrollers, trolley rollers, black gangers, rail rammers. We're the boys who do the road repairing. It's nice to get out of your working clothes when your shift is done. It's nice to get into the greenhouse, lads, and grow chrysanthemums. It's nice to potter about the house, a tinker in the shed, but it's nicer still to close your eyes and slumber in your bed. Now, Tommy Walker, get up, jump out of bed. Your loco's waiting for you, man, it's standing in the shed. The day shift gang are clocking off, another day has gone. There's a long night's work ahead of you, so come and get signed on. At the station here at Darlington, the freight trains rumble past, and the express streamers thunder through and go past in a flash. All up and down the railway tracks, the local trains they run, carrying weary travellers whose working day is done. So every day and every night, the work it never stops, with steam and diesel engines working all around the clock. And the footplate men will tell you that it's a weary life, and it's sometimes even wearier for a railway worker's wife. Come all you gallant locomen, steam and diesel too. You lads who serve the iron road, let's drink a glass or two, and join me in a chorus, it'll pass the time away. You've done your 8-hour stint, me boys, and now it's time for play. There's some that's fond of gardening, there's some that like a Jill, and some of the lads are courting strong, they get dolled up to kill, and they take the girls to the pictures or go to a dance instead. But everyone likes the moment when he signs off at the shed. When you come home from work, you wash and sit down to your tea, get rid of your dirty dungarees and watch the old TV, or you spend an hour in your workshop and maybe do a job, or sit at the fire in an easy chair with your feet up on the hob. And when the evening's over and you feel it's time for bed, spare a thought for the lads on nights who are working at the shed. And as you fix the living room fire and see it's burning bright, remember the blokes on the old footplate are working through the night. When you've done your time at the loco shed and had your share of trouble on the old footplate, you're the driver's mate and you're married to a lousy shovel. It's check the water, check the tools, and check the plumbing coal in. Give the gauge a wipe, check inject a pipe. Now it's swing your shovel at the double, give a rock, watch the clock, steam raising, sweat running, back aching, cold shaking, fireman, keep it rolling. Put your weight behind your shovel, from your middle swing. Swing your steel-bladed shovel, hear the fire sing. One at the front, one at the back, one at each side, and that's the knack. When you've shoveled 1,000,000 tons of coal some 10 or 12 years later, and your only dream is of raising steam, then they hand to you your driver's papers. You're peering through the darkness then to see the distant signal, watching for the lights, driving through the night with your wheels slipping, sand sticking, rain falling, fire glowing, eyes all red with ash flowing. Through the night we keep them rolling. You've got your long handle shovel, then make it ring. Make your steel-bladed shovel on the tender ring, sweating it out night and day, earning your keep on the iron way. The iron road is a hard road and the work is never ending, working night and day on the iron way. We'll budget turners, 5 burners, 11 quid a week earners. We're the boys who keep them rolling. Walker drives a diesel train, a 2-set unit job. His old man drives a steamer through the night. But steamer's had its day and the end is on the way, so it's time to turn your card in and go home. From the north and the south, from the east and the west, the diesels roll along the iron road, and the wheels sing as they run that the days of steam are done, so it's time to turn your card in and go home. Rolling down the line past the slag heaps of the mine, and the colliers they stand and watch you pass, for you don't need any coal for to make a diesel roll, so it's time to turn your cards in and go home. So let us drink a brew to the steam and diesel too. Day and night they travel with their load. Here's to father and to son, and the town of Darlington, and the men who build and